welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've finished my painting from Evermoment. Now this painting I did get a while ago. I'm not actually sure how long ago I got this. It's a 30 by 30 and I just hadn't got round to doing it, but it's now finished. Now I did trade out some diamonds on this one, so you can see here this is what was 3865 and I've changed that for some AB that I had left over, just to give it gives an extra little touch of sparkle. It's sort of just in a few places down here and a few places sort of here, and it does go in between these trees. There is a couple up here and then there is the odd one or two at the top, so there's one here and there's actually one here, but yeah, I thought it would add a little extra bit of sparkle depending on how the light catches it, and I don't think the camera's catching it properly, but overall I'm happy with how the image turned out. And there is a fair amount of diamonds left, so if you spotted my kitting up of this one, I of course switched out for AB for this one, but I do have lots of diamonds left. That one's empty, but only because I pinched the rest for my Heaven and Earth designs. Not that I didn't have enough, I had plenty. And considering for this one, I'd pinched a packet and then I actually went back and pinched another packet, I still have had enough to do this whole painting. So yeah, quite a few of the colours really, there's quite a lot left, but I mean that one, say there's loads of them in there that look as though, you know, you could pretty much start going again. That one, there's loads left in there as well, so no problem with not having enough diamonds. But I wasn't too happy with the quality of the diamonds. I did one a while ago where there did seem to be a little bit of a problem with the dark colours, but on this one I found that while the black was fine, so there was a lot of them that I was actually getting rid of because they had little nubs on them, and there's probably still the odd ones in there where there's a gap, and it's because there's actually a little nub on the diamond, and I've missed it. So yeah, for the price that Evermoment is showing on AliExpress at the moment, their prices do seem to have shot up. Now I don't know whether that is, you know, to try and help them compensate for the loss of business or not, I don't know, but the diamond quality I think has gone downhill a bit from when I first got them, so that's a little bit disappointing. But the picture itself has turned out beautiful, so pluses and minuses. I'm happy with how the pictures turned out. I'm just not too happy that I've had to fish out more diamonds than I normally do from this company due to the quality, but I did have enough to finish it even with fishing all those out, so again, pluses and minuses. But yeah, I thought I'd let you know what it looks like finished. I am happy with this image. It's like a nice springy summery image, even if it is a sunset, and the little bunny's cute. In fact, both of the little bunnies are cute, but this one you can see when you look down, this one you can't see until you look from a distance. Same with these people down here, but yeah, it's finished. It's another one done. May or may not frame this one. It is an image I would have up. I'm just not sure whether I've got a place for it or not, so for now it will just go in with my completed diamond paintings and we'll see what happens from there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.